Welcome to the Workday Reporting for Business Users video series. In this session, we'll discuss the many ways you can access a report in Workday. From the global search at the top of your page, you can navigate to all reports that you have access to. In the search bar, simply enter the report you're looking for. As you're entering the report name, notice that Workday auto-populates possible matches. In the search results, Workday identifies reports with the word report under the report name. Another way to access reports is to use the Run Custom Report report. First, enter Run Custom Report in the search bar and select the report. In the prompt window, enter the name of your chosen custom report and select OK to run it. You can also use search prefixes, which restrict search results to a specific type of Workday object. There are several prefixes you can use for reporting. One of the most commonly used prefixes is RD, which stands for Report Definition. In the search bar, just precede your search term with RD followed by a colon. For example, entering RD:recruiting will display all reports associated with recruiting. Some reports have report tags, which are a great way to categorize reports. For example, a report admin can tag all payroll reports with a report tag called Payroll. When searching for reports with a specific report tag, simply use the RDT: prefix followed by the name of the report tag. RDT stands for Report Definition Tag. Workday will then display all reports that it associates with that report tag. Another way you can access a report is from your Profile menu, which you can access by selecting your profile icon. You can access reports from Sitemap, Favorites, Drive, and My Reports. The Sitemap option takes you to a sitemap of all available standard reports and tasks. The Favorites option displays a list of your favorite reports and tasks. To update this list, you can select the Manage Favorites button. Next is the Drive option. Workday Drive is a file management space that houses various reporting and analytics files, such as Workday Discovery Boards, slides, and worksheets. You can also store non-Workday files, such as Excel sheets. Lastly, there's the My Reports option. My Reports displays a virtual drive where you can store generated reports, such as scheduled reports, or reports that you run in the background. Now, let's say there's a report that you frequently use and you want to easily access it. When you select the Menu button, notice that you can add or edit your menu options. You can add a report to your menu so you don't have to search for it. Select Add Apps, search for the report, and add it to your menu. Notice that the report is one of the first 4 apps listed in the menu. When you refresh your homepage, the shortcut displays in the Your Top Apps section. Now you can access your report straight from the homepage. Finally, you may receive alerts based on the results of a custom report. For example, suppose that there's a report that lists all workers who haven't received a pay increase in the past 3 years. An administrator could create an alert based on the results of this report. Dylan is a manager who has received an alert notification. It asks Dylan to review the compensation for 3 direct reports who haven't received a pay increase in the past 3 years. Dylan can now do more analysis or take action by requesting a compensation change. That sums up the many ways you can access a report in Workday. Note that report accessibility depends on your permissions and role. If you don't have view or edit permissions to a report, the restricted report will not display in your instance of Workday. In this session, we've reviewed the many ways you can locate a report in Workday. Whether it's through the search bar, the Apps menu, or the Profile menu, Workday makes it easy to quickly access the insights you need. Thank you for taking the time to learn with Workday.